Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make public Lifesteal SMP easy guide. Start by planning core mechanics, lifesteal rates, and player permissions, then pick compatible server software. Next, prepare a plugin list for health economy and balance testing, and configure world protections so griefing stays low. Finally, draft clear rules, test with trusted players, and set automated backups to keep progress safe and stable for everyone. To build a smooth public Lifesteal SMP, choose server software that supports plugins and good performance, and allocate resources for players and mods. Install a Lifesteal plugin, health economy tools, and protection plugins, then configure permissions and spawn settings. Test changes on a private copy of the world, tune lifesteal rates, and commit stable configs. Communicate changes to the community and schedule regular maintenance to keep the server healthy and fun. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful content. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker adds great background music while you run builds or moderate chat, and it pairs nicely with cozy server nights. I find it helps mood and focus during long admin sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Balancing lifesteal is crucial for fair gameplay and long-term fun. Start with modest lifesteal percentages so fights feel meaningful but not lethal on first hit, and adjust after testing. Add safe zones and clear spawn protections to keep new players safe while allowing PvP elsewhere. Offer progression items or ranks that unlock over time, and listen to player feedback to refine rates, drops, and penalties for a sustainable community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.